You understand?
Just now you explained me roughly.
English, sir, English.
Okay. He tried to explain to the German fellows also in Tamil.
The German fellows say he understand. So what they have done is, from the outgoing, physically one cable, the 3-core cable, come inside here and go inside to this junction box. And that means they have maybe bus bar or whatever, go here, come back. This is the one that's coming to overhead. 3-core ABC wire, aluminum, going through the jungle and all that, going to enrich. Now inside here they have they will have a fuse, HT fuse, and then they have a transformer. They call it this one. We call PT. Yeah? Very familiar word. Then they have the CT for their metering, because they have a metering panel, K.E.M metering panel. This is where the billing meter is being recorded at the cleaning site. There is no meter enriched. The 11 kV is built is recorded here.
For entry,
For entry. It is at the cleaning. There is no kilowatt hour meter there. You also white 2 meter, right? Check meter. So for them to have the metering, they must have.
Oh, they means they come and read the meter here itself, so no need to go to entry.
Yeah, no need to go entry. So for metering, they need power supply 110 volt or 220, whatever. That's why they have a PT here. This PT is a potential transformer. So all this, they have a dB here. It goes to a dB. So to make it more. So this one
So,
goes.
Mr. Andy, that means for small supply, they will have another small transformer.
No, there's a PT. Because it is tapped from a fuse. This is 11 kV. Yeah?
Yeah. So 11 kV for this 220, there should be a step down.
No, this is the one.
Oh, other day irukuma.
It's hermetic, it's a cast resin.
Or it
Not
comes like that. That means basically this unit can take in 11 kV.
Yeah. This is 11 kV. 11 kV. Then come out 110, 220. It came out to one.
Then inside got tube light, all the one taking supply from where?
This one. They have 1 dB here.
Or from that PT you can take out some more supply.
Yeah, this PT is the single phase. Come out here. Breaker. They have the ELCB and then all the dB, small dBs there.
So one different at KVA, how much KVA bigger, then they can use for lighting and
No,
So for the kilowatt hour.
Normally I thought that they will take, then there is a small transformer there, in order, then it's like step down.
Yeah, but in this case, for them, they have to, at any one point of time, they must make sure that this PT is not damaged. Like this one damaged, the kilowatt hour cannot run. So they have the waste. So this dB is the one who is taking care of a kilowatt hour meter. Yeah, exhaust fan and fluorescent light. When you open the dots are there. So this is. Now this one is the junction box. You can see that 11 kV go inside. So this stand alone. 10 alone, for example, come out, go to the pole at the pole. This is the wire that straight goes to English lah. They also have
right spelling. Our in the E, we thought that it's enrich.
Oh.
So it's
A-N.
it's enrich.
என்னது
Spelling, English.
இதா
அப்புறமா ரிப்போர்ட்ல நீங்க எழுதும்
என்ன
போது
ஈயா
A-N-D-R-I-T-Z.
ANDRITZ
T-Z.
Okay.
இந்த போட்டேன்
and it's called enrich.
ஓகே ஸோ இங்கேயும் அதே மாதிரி தான் ஒரு இது இருக்கு RMU. Also automatic sealed. Okay. This one from the pole, we saw the pole right beside when we were there, fencing there. It goes inside here. This one spare. So next time here anyone 111 kV, they can take from here. Similar, they want any somebody, they can take from here. And then this one goes to the from here goes to transformer, straight like that only. Okay. Then so 11 kV 415 500 kVA. So here is where you have your 800 amps. CC here. They have their shunt relay here. Goes to IDMP relay. Over current and for here. And then this cable comes here. They have the CT. To capture the overcurrent alpha. Then they have a 2 door there. They have one more. This is 400 amps, 200 amps. Are going to their camp and then workshop or whatever. So this one we have recalibrated. This one recalibrated. They have protection protection for this the outgoing protection. This shunt trigger cannot trigger. That means the resistance I measure
This is the problem, sir.
is 1.6 ohms. Cannot see. This wire come from something like this coming there. I can draw. I didn't draw. The signal go to the city. The signal coming out for this relay. The relay ohms is 1.6. Anyhow, these 2 wire must come out to the current relay.
What is supposed to be? What value roughly?
Okay, here this one we measure. I measured this shunt rig was okay. This here the shunt rig. There
It must be 200 or 300 ohms to that, right? No.
Wait, 31. So this shunt rig was 1.3 K. Is also same. That means 1300 ohms lah. 300 K. This one, OL lah. This is the one which we brought. This one, OL. His meter, his fluke meter, OL lah. So I took my meter, check. So this one red is 133 kilo ohm lah. Far away lah, almost. Whether read or don't read lah, cannot. 133 ohm. And we simulated after calibration. This one we follow back. We calibrate earlier. Now we follow back because there's no defect. We simulate, we trip, simulate, trip. Fine. Then we came to simulate this. They don't want to trip. This is the one we took out, brought for replacement. Tarasaki, and after here, then go back here again. Because this one calibrated. In case the transformer whatever defect, here must sweep. So we calibrate this, follow back. Here also everything correct. We didn't change anything. It was setting. So we came and tried this to simulate. It didn't want to trip. And to access this, there is another door which cannot open now. So need one of the unit tech from
Temco guys will have the key. No,
one of them from K.E.M has to come.
for TMB side
No.
to knock out, right? So that we can change.
To knock out that we can change the cover. But first of all, we don't have the ability. We want the silver.
Sir, but if it's TNB coming and opening, shouldn't TNB do the replacing?
No, TNB is knocking out his side.
Oh, okay. This
So
is
that we
this-
can open our side
Okay.
to see. No means it will be live one.
Yeah. Okay.
No, that's what he asked. So I asked the same question. This one is TNB power. And they don't want other people to access this because this is TNB. So they know that this one, because the report says this shunt rate gone. Why they didn't come and replace it?
Because the shunt rate is our side and this side.
No. Outgoing of the entry is taken by the shunt rate.
So you
That chunk is also faulty, right?
This shunt rate was faulty.
But this unit is under Android, right?
this unit is under entry.
No, this is the clinic one.
Yeah, clinic one, that unit that we open is Andres one.
And this one.
That's the thing that Anne said. That one they should have handed over.
Oh, to TNB.
So then it would have become TNB's problem.
The means they can hand it over.
Still can be handed over now, right? We want test together. Join
yeah.
inspection, hand over, can work.
Can. But they are asking they are asking now when they ask why upstream trip, downstream why trip, right? This one spoiled already, definitely downstream will trip,
I
right?
don't know when it's spoiled and all that. This one we know when they.
No, look at the report. We know the last report says that this shunt trip also spoiled, right?
The one
So
July.
after calibration only they found service. During January only they know this one.
Yeah, that means they know already. This one, that means it would
Far
have
back.
far back. So we are currently, the conclusion is even we Andres site which we have 800 amps there, that what you call that RMU one.
So
that RMU, although the shunt trip there also,
No, in RMU don't have any shunt trip.
then what is the thing that you took out? Relays.
LV on the MSP.
What is that?
The LV 800 amps.
Yeah, what you took out?
Shunt trip.
Shunt trip.
Mm.
And you said no shunt trip?
No, I thought you asked something.
Oh.
RMU they don't have shunt trip.
Okay, here. Then the shunt trip also spoiled. Now we put the shunt trip, okay, it will be protected.
Yeah.
That means whatever to life, it will trip here.
Okay.
But the earlier, why I'm asking you this question, the earlier problem was to the cable.
Mm.
Something impacted the cable.
Yeah.
Some animal damaged the cable.
This cable.
So
This
that
jungle,
cable, but then if that kind of thing happens again, the tripping won't happen to here, right?
It won't happen.
The tripping will go back to your
Go back,
RMU,
yeah,
right?
This one supposed to trip lah.
Ah.
But this shunt trip already
Yeah, yeah.
So bend spoiled, don't
So,
know.
so our report will indicate that if this thing happens with that shunt trip intact, upstream will not trip because it will trip here.
Yes,
So
upstream
that
will
should
be-
be in our report, lah.
At the same time, this setting, overcurrent setting, yesterday Raja and
So
they had
under
brought it down somehow.
okay, under our what measure we have done in our report also lah. Report maybe you need to help also lah. Make it nicer lah. I see other fellows' reports all nicer, so it's not that we have done this kind of reports, right?
Elaborate for me in 10 pages.
Okay, good. Do report, then we submit lah. In 1 to 10, then we look at it, then we submit.
But just
They
now
have
again,
the what I mean that they have the what been done, what all, but it's just that in a format that when you give impressive lah. K.E.M report is impressive. That's all I am. No means we can call Joe lah, which is good.
Yeah. So RMU there is no shunt trip, right? So what trips?
this one got.
This side?
This one, that is
Oh.
only isolator for them to on off.
Oh, okay. It's just switch lah.
So when they want to do any switching, they will come in off here, then they will do switching.
Okay.
It's like a plain isolator. This one will work as a plain isolator as well as it's but this is not onload changer, onload breaker. But I don't know. Maybe onload also can because this vacuum is RF SL6. But normally they don't do that. They go off here. Okay. Something add on. Now they have set this one to how many amps tripping?
This
From
one 48%.
Okay, yeah, how many?
24.
So now here to trip this and they have set to 24 amps.
24.
11 kV 24 amps.
And CT is 50 by 5.
Say again. CT
CT
is
50 by 5.
55. Based on this, earlier they have set to 24 amps. That is 48%.
50%.
48%.
40.
So now when we recheck, we'll follow back then 48%. So that means the HT is at anything above that 24% is not a trip. Okay? Let's say here 800 amps. If this were to set at 100%, so 800 amps is secondary, then what will be the primary amp? Will be 666.
That one is LV sensor. Yeah, 666.
So if 100%, cannot be 100% because this one full load current is this one for 500 kVA is equal to 666 amps secondary side. So bearing this in mind, they have set to earlier 70 75,
No, 86%.
86%. So they have set this overcurrent earlier 86%. 86%, which is 6,600.
86 is
This is this city is 800.
572. 572.
So they have set to 572 amps. So if 572 amps on secondary, then what will be the primary amps? Will be around that 24 amps. How much, sir?
Around 23, sir.
20?
23.
23 amps.
43.
23.
23, yeah.
23.
2, 3. So the primary side will be 23 amps. So they have set it for 24 amps. Yeah. So that means anything happen above 572 here trip. If any problem like this one, this will have to trip off. That is under overcurrent. So the problem why they complain say that your downstream didn't stream and your upstream you my 33 trip which caused other area to be 4 hours no supply. This cable is running in jungle. So I think the monkey went and bite. So face to face shot. So face to face, this one definitely cannot capture. You have to see that there is no power. So this one didn't treat because this one treat not working. So the complaint was they are 33. That means they have another substation 33 to 11 kV. So the 33 trip. But funny, the 11 should also have
Some protection.
but nobody talk about that. So we don't know. That one's under So Sam, so what we can propose them? This one, the jungle track. So how in future, even though we do now, future like maybe both sides.
Periodically, lah.
No, both sides.
3 months once lah.
Clear the bush lah. Clear the.
Secretary General.
We have to propose them. Maybe
No.
3 to 5 meter this side, 3 to 5 meter this side. The branches. So that there's nothing. No way the monkey can climb to the
Cable.
cable. And I suggest the pole also put so that the barbed wire so the monkey won't climb up.
Hopefully the monkey won't bring ladder.
So this one we can do a proposal to that. We have Jordan, the other guy was talking.